begin they rise. They don't see themselves. Almost at a rush. Everybody run. Go their own way to save themselves.
Alright, 95.1 WAZOBIA FM, and in memory of those who lost their life. You hear that music, I know that today people go understand that music. And now the inspiration say, we will be eyewitness, will be victim for their. Yeah, Kola, you they talk something. You see, I'm saying, now even children and then be victim pass.
Yes.
You know, Papa run going your own way, Mama run going your own way, brother going your own way, sister, picking come, bye. You they see, a lot of children. Now them be victim for that thing. Wow. You know. Now you they talk about your sister when una lost for that bomb blast.
Yes.
You said till today, what thing happened to your mother?
Yes, concerning that bomb incident, the thing make my mother develop BP.
Till today.
Till today, because of my big sister.
Yeah.
You know, she too much love her too much, and now eyes. When the girl fall, my mother don't get herself.
She's my immediate younger sister.
Yeah.
And she followed me.
I follow your back.
Yeah.
The two of us are brothers from the same father.
All right. Okay. But your mother, the manager, Palenko?
Thank God for our dad. Thank God for the life. Anywhere we delay, God help us.
Yeah.
Keep them.
All those retired soldiers, if they don't retire, they know they last again. So it don't work out. All right. Anyway, people can't be right now. You know, say Lagos State government promised that time. Obasanjo chef show. Everybody promised, and you thank them for that.
We see nothing. We think say they go show love.
All right. For those of that way, now we go tell una the story. Anybody will tell una the story will not be we. When we witness them, the story na lie.
Fake news.
Yes. Somebody come right now say it was gathered. I go ask question after I read this thing. It was gathered that the federal government had earlier given 500,000 each as temporary relief package to parents who lost a child or children and those whose body were recovered, while 250 each were given to parents who could not find their children, with a promise to pay actual compensation after 22 with a promise to pay actual compensation. After 22 years, nothing has been done. Nigeria government is a promise and fail specialist. We aren't surprised, not bothered. Life goes on. Agbaphobia all the way from Lagos State. All right, now, Kola and Yomi, the explosions from the cantonment.
Confirm.
Una dey there kuru. Me and Dave una lie, no. Our house burn, document everything burn. But as say with the word James Bond and our Babana soldier, we escape. Unfortunately, Kola and Yomi, una lost una sister. Government give una 500,000.
Nibo, for where? They don't give us anything. I mean, Yomi, you are here.
Nothing like that.
Nothing like that. Even my studio we got burned. No compensation, nothing. Our sister died, we don't see anything. So government, the best way they talk that one, make it a year now. Nothing they do for us, my brother.
But you say for na music, when una suffer, go studio, go pay, una come dey thank all of them. Abi, you forget.
You know, say first thank
them.
Say like something go drop. Now what do we try to do with that?
Okay, that time.
Nothing. Even we call Jerry Ghana name, call most of the
no, not be saying you go dey talk. Me, I go knock am now.
We continue to go.
He's the governor of the state
of Lagos
then. Yes. All right, this one say, Oga Expensive, good evening. These guys, they're good. So why are they not known? And how did you locate the parents of that child you saved? All right. You know, say, yeah, he get out there for the walk. Oh, that day I think say war don't end. So as I carry this pikin for neck, me say I don't tire. The pikin come they tell me say, me I don't carry am well. She was like 2 or 3 then. He said, let me carry her well now. He remains small. And they tell you, make her drop am. And at the wrong go, I don't know where the wrong go. But I see myself for a kotu egbe. You understand? So, and we passed the night because then Nigerians were so lovely. They know what thing they happen. So when they see people run, some people give you accommodation to relax till the next day. Some people bring water for us, give us food. You know. So I leave the pikin for because me I believe say that place don't perish. I was surprised to go back to the barrack to see say buildings this time. I didn't see some people inside. I tell you. You know, so the parents don't come on they shout. Anybody will know Winnie Dele Daniels. She go command the secondary school. You understand? Anybody will know Winnie. Now me save her. Yes. I come back, the parents on they cried and they find them. You know. Now I come say na me carry and they say we are there. I say they cartoon. We have to go together. They don't believe. They follow me, we go the place, we see the pikin, we can't carry. The pikin don't graduate, oh. Wow. Coincidentally, now they train her now for news reading because she read mass communication. She too won't become journalist.
Nice one,
fantastic. So when they train her codedly, they send her script, how to read the news. She did on that training. Now one day when I go hear Winnie, they deliver the news. Because coincidentally, the mother too been they work for Radio Nigeria. You know? NBC. Yes, they work, but people like say she don't retire because they post her go Ibadan. You know? So they don't graduate. They don't big now big children, oh. Big. So that child where you talk, bro, maybe if she don't marry now, self, I don't know. But she don't grow, she don't graduate from university. You know, she studied mass communication. I'm in contact with the family because we family friend, our neighbor now. Wow. You know, but the pikin nearly do me that day. Because I just say what don't end, I for drop her. Because I carry you, they tell me to make I carry you well. You don't know that I don't tire. And I hold my dog. Coincidentally, the dog no come back for a cartoon and chopper. That is Itoro brothers. I escaped from bomb blast. Radia the kidnapper chopper. All right. Any which way, as it be like this, not be smart in, but that bomb blast memory, it ever come up for your brain?
Lie.
No, they ever come up.
Infinity.
It's always there.
Always.
Now, okay, now when they watch cartoon inside house, now the things start. So when they run lock door.
For where?
Free entrance. Who want enter? The next day before we begin come, I can't see my younger brother where you turn soldier for or daughter for Express Road.
The trek
friends. I think me and you meet where we meet ourselves for me.
Now the next day for Maryland.
Now meet.
Now so when I go they meet to myself.
As they run a slow motion. And they run fast, but like slow
when
motion.
When I come back, I don't know our house again. They don't ball to arches, not even pin. We start all over again. Una house born now. Una house
everything.
For the unless they una self no dey for direct people go na YouTube.
Rocket launcher.
When get propeller.
Yes, they come on top of us.
Now that time I see bomb koro say bomb dey big. You know say bomb dey breathe.
It dey breathe.
Yes,
exactly.
Yes now. Bomb dey breathe now.
They pour water on top bomb.
Yes, bomb dey breathe. You don't like anything heat.
You don't like it.
You don't like anything heat.
Yes.
It dey breathe now. They breathe.
They give her water make drink.
You know lizard. As lizard wey dey see lizard na so bomb dey do. Bomb dey breathe. All right, make we do small business. It's interesting. You say if you give us your own experience, we dey come.